Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, and get ready, because today we're stepping inside a machine that breaks every rule of the road. You've seen trucks that haul, and you've seen RVs that impress, but nothing compares to this masterpiece. This is the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, and trust me, you won't believe what it can do in motorhome mode. From the first glance, the W900 demands attention. That iconic chrome grille, long nose hood, and perfectly sculpted lines are pure Kenworth heritage, a symbol of power, pride, and precision engineering. But the real shock comes when you realize this beast is also a full-blown luxury motorhome, built for those who want to travel like royalty. Step inside, and the transformation will take your breath away. The living room feels like something out of a luxury hotel suite. Soft touch, Italian leather recliners with built-in heating and massage, a massive 4K smart TV seamlessly built into the wall, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The sound system? Pure theater quality, giving you that immersive cinematic feel even while parked in the middle of nowhere. Moving forward, the kitchen area blends elegance with practicality. A full-sized smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a compact dishwasher make it feel more like a high-end apartment than a truck. The countertops are finished in marble texture with soft underglow lights, and every drawer opens silently with smooth hydraulic action. Whether it's breakfast before the highway or dinner under the stars, the W900 makes cooking part of the adventure. Now slide open that door and step into the bedroom suite. A full king-size bed wrapped in plush fabric sits under a soft-lit ceiling that resembles a starlit sky. The panoramic side windows let you wake up to nature's most beautiful views. And with just one touch, you can dim the smart glass for total privacy. There's also a built-in entertainment panel, charging ports and climate control right at your fingertips. Then comes the bathroom, something no one expects inside a Kenworth. LED vanity mirrors, a rainfall shower with mood lighting, and a luxury sink design that looks straight out of a five-star resort. It's compact yet stunningly designed, proving that no inch of this space goes to waste. And powering it all, the 2026 W900 hides a next-gen diesel-electric hybrid system, combining legendary Kenworth torque with modern efficiency. It's quieter, cleaner, and more powerful than ever before, delivering smooth performance, no matter where the journey leads. So if you thought trucks were just for hauling, think again. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. A rolling symbol of strength, comfort, and future-forward design. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned right here on Auto Plus for more incredible machines redefining road luxury.